Hi, everyone. Welcome to the course Ethical Issues in Human Genetics. This is a short winter term course, half credit, that begins on January 2nd, 2018. Uh, First, the purpose of the video is to introduce myself and to welcome you to the course and to tell you a little bit of something about the syllabus and sort of just to familiarize yourself also with the technology and so on. So, first of all, my name is Dr. Cantons. I am a professor here at Moravian College, a full-time professor. My office is located in Comenius 107, the first floor. Um, and so let me tell you the technology and a little bit of what's going to be expected from you in this course. We're going to be using, we don't use Canvas, we use Google Community, and so you need to have Google Plus. You need to download Google Plus, and if you have a Gmail, it's all part of the Google system, the Gmail system. So you just go onto your Gmail or your Moravian account, which is Gmail, and then download Google Plus, and I will send you an invitation to the Google community. And on that Google community, you have access to everything, all the readings. The readings are also on Google Drive. You'll have PowerPoints, you'll have lectures, and the assignments will be on there. I also have put a lot of videos and extra information, contemporary, current event things that are occurring, the most updated kind of information on genetic technology and advances that are going on today. So there's a tab just for that. That is not really required part of the course, but just for fun, if you want to, if you want to go in and see what's going on and read on some of the new technology advances that are happening, you can do so. The course is, I hope, divided up, organized in a way that makes it easy and feasible for students. And I work hard at trying to organize the course and being organized for your sake. So, we have only 3 assignments here. They're essay assignments. And so you have the readings, which are, again, already posted there. And then you have assignment questions on the readings. So if I were you, I would go, for instance, to assignment 1, which is due Friday at midnight, and look at the questions that are being asked. That you need to respond to. And then I would go to the readings, and then with the questions in mind, do the reading. In addition, I have tried to prepare a PowerPoint that summarizes these things for you so that if you need to go back, you don't have to reread everything. You can maybe look at the PowerPoint and get an idea of the main issues. The PowerPoint is not a substitute for the readings. You have to do the readings. And when you answer your questions on the assignment, on the essays, you need to maybe sometimes refer back to the reading and use citations from the reading. I think, I've tried to cover some of the main areas in genetics, such as stem cell research, obviously. There are some interesting philosophical articles that I included in there. There's prenatal screening. There's, of course, the issue of cloning. And also, all of this is from an ethical perspective, right? This is not a medical or a biology course, right? This is an ethical perspective. So it's about the morality of these issues. Manipulating the germline. Okay, that's another topic that I've included. And then therapy enhancement distinction. The therapy, one thing, as enhancement is a different thing, and the moral issues involved in these kinds of genetic medical procedures are very different. Um, so we need to we end with that topic. And again, each of the readings are primary texts, primary readings that have come out. This is an incredibly interesting bioethics is cutting edge, interesting stuff going on. Very important for the future of humanity, I think. So I hope that you enjoy the course. That's the first thing, right? I hope you get something really out of it, and I hope you enjoy it. Um, and if you have any questions about the logistics of the course, on Google Community, there's a discussion board that, by the way, is worth 10 points. So the purpose of the discussion board, as I describe here in my syllabus, is that you can ask questions, and I give you points for that, right? If you're active asking questions on the discussion board, that's a good thing. You can also make comments, so you can, if something strikes you as either strange or odd or something you dislike or disagree with or agree with, then you can put it on the discussion board. And all of that is important. I want everybody to participate in the discussion board. It's worth 10 points of your grade. And there are 3 assignments, and each of the assignments is worth 30 points. People always ask me about the lengths. How long should the essays be? Essays probably should be at least more or less 2 pages, double-spaced, 500-word essays. More or less. Could be a page and a half, something like that. So it depends. I look at the quality. I also look to see that you demonstrate that you understand the articles, that you've read them. It doesn't have to be like perfect. I mean, I want you to illustrate to me, demonstrate to me that you've grappled with this issue and with the primary text, right? That's important to me. So there are a total of 8 readings, okay, in 2 weeks. I think that's feasible. It's reasonable. It's doable, especially with all the supplementary material that I'm providing for you in each of the readings. So, because in addition to the PowerPoint, I also have a lecture on each of the readings. If you have any questions at all, the best way to communicate with me is through email. I usually get back to you pretty quickly, but if you need to speak, ask me for my phone number, and we can talk on the phone. We can also video conference. So I think hope I've covered the logistics and some of the main areas of the course. I welcome you to the course. I'm really happy that you're taking this course. I'm happy I'm teaching it. I'm excited about it. This is an area that I'm very interested in. This is actually a book I'm writing on abortion, on the ethics of abortion, and this is one chapter of that book. So I'm very much I'm very passionate about this stuff, very into it. And if you have any questions or any comments or anything at all, please don't hesitate to contact me. And so I look forward to engaging with you further on this topic. Okay? Thank you.